What the brap is up, you little brapsters? Today's a special video. Just a little ride up my old favorite spot as a kid. And should be perfect timing. Hopefully have it done by Father's Day. So happy Father's Day. Thanks for bringing me here as a kid. I know you haven't been here for a while, so I'd been missing it, and we're on an adventure. I thought I'd give you kind of a ride up to see what it looks like coming up, and then just show you what it looks like now.
I ain't got no money the first week of the month. Right up into orbit, my chicks they all abound. My landlord thinks a problem, a rent being overdue. What possible solution? I haven't got a clue. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, yeah, it's all that matters. All I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. I've loaned on my possessions, all that I can claim. I ain't got a single penny to my name. My neighbor says he's bothered by what I cannot see. He says that I can launder off what clothes should be. But at the end of the day, the end of the day, it's all that matters. All I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, yeah, it's all that matters. All I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you gotta feel good at the end of the day. It's all that matters. All I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day.
Good old Currant Creek. Anyway, happy Father's Day. Love you.